Right, this is an off-the-car mock-up of how to disconnect the fuel filter on an Australian version of the Mazda 3. This is not a complete instruction on how to do the complete job, but how to get past 3 problem areas of this procedure. Problem number 1 is the connector, the fastener for the cover, this particular fastener on this plastic cover. Problem number 2 is the outlet of the fuel filter, the connector with the blue insert. I'm going to show you how to disconnect that and the easy way, and I'm going to show you how to disconnect the inlet to the fuel filter, the grey one. To remove the cover, you need to get this fastener out, which is a bit of a pain. To do that, you use a small Phillips bit. Unscrew the screw with difficulty. Then it's out. When you come to reinstall the fastener for the cover, just simply put it in there with the screw extended, put it in there and press it like that. Once the fastener's out, for the next installation, drill a hole in this back section here, it lined up with that fastener hole. Drill a hole there. That allows you to next time come in with a screwdriver. It'll be a bit difficult, but it's doable, and you can undo that fastener with a screwdriver. One of the problems here is because Mazda have used 2 different inserts in the connectors. One, the blue one, is a that type, and the grey one is this one. The blue one you have to compress, as I've just showed you, and the grey one has to be used. It has to be disconnected with an insert tool, like that. The most difficult part of this procedure is disconnecting the outlet of the outlet connector of the fuel filter, the one with the blue insert. I've made up this tool. The dimensions are as follows. Insert the tool across the tabs of the blue connector and disconnect it that simply. If you can't make up the tool, or you don't have one, an alternative method to disconnect the connector with the blue insert is with a piece of string. Tie the piece of string to the left-hand rear door handle, run the string underneath the car, wrap it around the tabs of the blue insert, pull it tight, pull the string tight, give it a wiggle, and it's off. Immediately after this is disconnected, get the new filter and immediately insert it into the connector to prevent contamination going into the line going to the engine. Right, now we're going to disconnect the forward end, the inlet end to the filter, with the connector with the grey insert. You need the disconnect tool such as this. Put the tool on the shaft of the filter, bring it underneath the grey connector and disconnect it like that. And you might notice that this end, the grey insert remained with the connector, whereas on the other end the blue insert remained on the filter. If you choose to use a Hengst replacement filter, you'll get two blue connectors, the same design as the Mazda blue. So to use this blue connector, which I do, I remove the grey connector out of the inlet connector, remove that with the help of a screwdriver, and then insert the filter using the blue connector as such. If you've used the Hengst connectors in your last filter change, for the next filter change, all you'll need to do to connect the disconnect the lines is the tool on both ends, or a piece of string on both ends, as simply as I demonstrated earlier. This filter here is a Cooper brand. It's the same dimensions lengthwise and diameter-wise as the Mazda and the Ryco ones. The Hengst filters, same diameter but slightly shorter in length, but I've done my full 40,000 k's distance without any problems.